Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this clip art, and I never have seen one that had little boxes, but I've already created it, and it did it really well. And the reason you see white is because I have instead of a yellow box, I have a white box. And so just to show that it's transparent, this is what they want. They want a blacked out square with the lion inside of it. It's really pretty easy. It's right at 2 inches. I'm going to set my nudge factor on like 2.5. I'm going to go ahead and make a duplicate and have an extra copy of it. And then I'm going to go, and it's so small, I'm just going to trace bitmap, not do anything to it, outline, trace, clip art. Going to take just a second. I'm not going to adjust it, and I'm going to just say okay. Normally the new copy is on top, and as soon as you go up to object and go to group and ungroup, you'll know that that's a copy because the bitmap cannot be ungrouped, as you can see. Now I'm going to take a yellow box and put it next to my item because I'm going to ungroup this guy, and hopefully I've already ungrouped him, and I'm just going to start grabbing the white and nudge it over, and look at that. Look at the majority of the white I got. Now I'm missing some around his eyes, so we're going to grab the pick tool and grab that eye, grab that eye. We're missing this, 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 and this, and we're done. Now this would all be good, and then you just left click your mouse black, and you have just the opposite. This is the way I would want if I was going to engrave it. But they want it like this, but we actually need it to be transparent. Well, I don't know. I take that back. I don't know if they're printing this or engraving this. Yeah, they want it transparent because I'm pretty sure they're going to engrave it. So then what I would do is take this thing and left click no fill and right click. I'm going to go ahead and go in black hairline just to make sure. And then of course I'd center my box. Then I'm going to take the smart fill tool, set on black. And then I'm going to have to go through and fill in everything that the smart fill tool could not get to. And this is where you might want to zoom in sometimes. And this particular lion would be a great case of if there was a lot to do, you could split the guy in half right down the middle and duplicate him. So everything that is black, everything that is yellow is transparent. So that would engrave all black except for the yellow part would not be touched by the engraver. That's what he wants. That will be a pretty cool effect because just the black it'll look just like that, except for it will have a white background instead of a black background. Anyway, so let me do one more thing. Let's do this. If you engrave this and you had this color wood on it, when you go to object, order, back a page, that's what it's going to look like. Everything in brown is going to be the wood. Everything in black is going to be gone. Well, it's going to be engraved. Almost reverse engraving. It's a lot of work. A lot of work to engrave that much material away, but sounds like that's what they want. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.